when I thought about influence, whatever I had come for and what it has really happened is something I was searching for. Though it was not planned, I think I'm so thankful that you had given this. Like Sir said, after pandemic, I've been going through a lot of trainings and other things where I've been building a lot of things, as you had shown in the pyramid also, on all the behavior and all these things. But there is some kind of shallowness which is there, which I was finding myself. That there is no finally the right output to come and all, something is missing is what I was finding. And I'm so fortunate that today I come for this session where you have given that meaning. And this is what is something I've been going through these kind of trainings once here and there, but which has not gone so deep and which was not so process oriented, which has given the real process. I am looking forward for further sessions also, because there we will find much more deeper things where we can ultimately create the right sense out of this. Thank you so much.